Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. And firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. The touch controls located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have BELKIN and this one is touch controls. So make sure that you press or double press, triple press, press and hold at these touch controls. Now, if you know that you press correctly, next step is to perform a software reset. To perform a software reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from the phone, and then you just open the charging case, your earbuds reconnect with your phone, and it can fix this problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!